June the 17th trees. June is when trees are at their greenest. Their leaves are now fully expanded and many are getting gradually deeper in colour and covering any gaps still left in the tree canopy. Even the leaves of the last trees to break bud, such as ash, honey locust and the Indian bee tree, are all now fully expanded. Trees commonly seen in flower this month include the tree of heaven, Elianthus altissima, the Indian horse chestnut, Aesculus indica, Kentucky coffee tree, Gymnocladus dioica, Caucasian wingnut, Pterocarya fraxinifolia, Medlar, Mespilus germanica, and the false acacia, Robinia pseudoacacia, with its rich scent of gardenias. Late magnolias and tulip trees, Leodendron tulipifera, also have large waxy flowers that can easily be missed as they are produced tantalizingly high on the trees. At the beginning of the month, many laburnums and red horse chestnuts may still be in flower, as well as holly, box, rowan, and sycamore. Although not flowering, purple trees, as they are called, now stand out in London streets and parks. These are mainly the Pissard plum, Prunus ceracifera Pissardii, purple beech, Fagus sylvatica purpurea, Norway maple, Acer platinoides crimson king, and the purple sycamore, Acer pseudoplatanus atrapurpurea, all of which have striking purple foliage. This is also a month to examine tree leaves more closely, as many species, cultivars, and varieties are all much easier to identify from their leaves alone. The new growth on firs, spruces, and yew trees all stand out as a fresher, lighter green against the old dark foliage. The leaves of our two native wild oaks are also now easy to separate. The sessile oak, Quercus petrea, having a distinct petiole, and the English oak, Quercus robur, having virtually none at all. Similarly, our native silver birch, Betula pendula, and downy birch, Botrytis pubescens, are also often confused. At this time of year, the leaves of silver birch are more triangular and have a longer point than those of the downy birch. Also, the twigs of the former have warty glands, and those of the latter are downy. Black mulberries may also now be separated from white mulberries. The leaves of the former have more slender tips and much larger, almost jagged teeth along their edges. Lime trees can also generally be troublesome to separate. The small-leaved lime, Tilia cordata, has brown tufts of hair in the axils of its veins on the underside of its leaves. Large-leaved lime, Tilia platyphilus, has very large leaves, perhaps twice the size of most others. Silver limes, Tilia tomentosa, have noticeably silver sides to their leaves, and the rare Caucasian lime, Tilia times euchlora, does not have any signature heart-shaped leaf, but looks more like a poplar leaf. The more common of all in London streets is the common lime, our European linden, Tilia times europea, which tends to have more asymmetrical leaf bases than the rest.